First off, if we take a look at the man command, so I'm going to open the manual page for man. If we scroll a little bit down, we'll discover the format that the man pages are written on. And we'll discover a couple more information which will be useful, including the man path command, which will help us understand where we need to put the man page. And also we can read right over here that man pages are written in the nroff format. So we'll get more information about that. But first I'm going to show you the man path command. You just run man path. It's really simple. And you get a couple of paths that contain the man pages. We're just going to place the man page over here. Now remember the nroff that we saw over there. I'm going to open the document for nroff. We can see here the man page that talks about nroff, and basically we understand here that this uses the roff language. So to get more information about the roff language that is relevant for man pages, I'm going to open the groff man manual page. And here we can see specific information about roff that is relevant for man pages. And these are actual macros that we can use while we write the man page to determine the format of the page. I'm just going to open a sample man page. Let's say I'm making a man page about Saturn. So let's call this Saturn, and then I'm going to put here .7. 7 is the category of the man page. If you recall, you take a look at man. We have a couple of categories. Miscellaneous is going to be anything other than these categories, which are games, system calls, and so on. I'm just going to use miscellaneous in this case. So this will be Saturn.7. I'm going to open here the man page for groff man. I'm going to start by specifying the title heading. This will use the th macro. So I'm going to write here th. Then I'm going to scroll more down here just to get information about the parameters that th gets. Here we can see more information about th. We can see that we need to pass in the title and the section number. The title is going to be Saturn, and the section number is going to be 7. Afterwards, I'm going to go back up to the table with all the macros. Next macro I'm going to use is the paragraph macro. That's going to be .p. And afterwards, I can just start writing something. Let's write, for example, Saturn is a ringed planet, the 6th planet in the solar system. Now all I got to do is just save this. I'm going to close everything. And I'm going to run gzip on this file. Now you can see this file has the gz extension added. And now I'm just going to move it into one of the man paths. I'm going to run again man path. Let's say I want to put it over here. I'm just going to ls this for a sec, show you what's here. We can see already a folder here that is called man1. I'm just going to add another folder that is going to be man7 to hold this manual page since the category here is 7. Now I'm going to just move this into that folder. Now if we run man Saturn, you can see it's working nicely. Catch you guys on the next one.